This is Dimitri and welcome to Jim's Automation. So today we'll see the practical of T-on timer in our control panel. In our previous class, we have understood that how you can execute the timers with the help of enable, done bit. We have understood accumulated value, preset value, and everything. So now it is a high time that you need to do this control panel practical. Okay, so here we have used one input and output. Input 4 is my toggle push button. So this is my input 4. So if I press this input, my LED light which is connected to output number 2, green LED light. Okay, so this is my green LED light will be turned on after few seconds of delay. This is what I want to make a program. If I turn on this after 10 seconds of delay, my LED light should get on, right? So input 4 is toggle push button, output 2 is my green LED light. Now let's open the program. I have made a program over here. Okay, so this is my toggle push button input number 4 I colon 0/4. As soon as I turn on this, okay, my timer will be activated, which is having a 5 seconds of delay. Okay, so after 5 seconds of delay, my done bit will be on. So this bit will be on. So my LED light will be on, right? So let's download this program first to my PLC. I'm downloading this, go into communication, system communication, and here this is my PLC and click on download. Okay, yes, yes. So my program is getting downloaded. Do you want to go online? Yes. So now I am in a run mode. Okay, so now I'm online with my PLC. So let's turn on this input physically and see what is happening. Okay, my green light is LED light is not on yet. So if this is my input number 4 and this is my LED light, so if I turn on this is not on, right? Let's check. 3, 4, 5. After 5 seconds of delay, my LED light is on here, right? Now if I want to give a delay of 10 seconds, then I can make this 10 over here in a preset value. Okay, and I turn off this and turn on. As soon as I turn on, my cycle is restarted. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10 seconds of delay, my LED light is on, right? Why? Because after 10 seconds my done bit is on. Okay, see, my enable bit is initially on. When you turn off, see, I'm turning off my toggle switch and I'm turning on physically. As of now, my enable bit is off and done bit is also off. But when I turn on this, my timer will be energized with the help of enable bit. Okay, so let's turn on. I'm turning on. Okay, my LED light is not on yet, right? So after 10 seconds, now it is on. So this is how you can understand the practical of TON timer. You can give a particular delay and you can turn on any output mode, motor, field devices, any field devices, compressor, motor, pump, solenoid valve, actuator valve, whatever it is. So you can use a T-on timer to give a delay, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next class. Thank you.